Okay, let us now do the rounding off of numbers. Again, rounding numbers is making a number simpler and easy to use but maintaining its closeness to the original number. So, let's have two examples here. So, in this number here, you are asked to round this off to the nearest 100,000s. Okay, again, nearest 100,000s. Okay, nearest 100,000s. Okay, so this is 567,400. So first of all, determine now what is the digit found in the 100,000s place. So this is the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, the 10,000s place, and the 100,000s place. So we have now the digit which is 5. 5 is located in the 100,000s place. So you are asked to round this off to the nearest 100,000. So in determining how to round this off to the nearest 100,000, consider the number beside it, the number to its right. Okay, so the number to its right is 6. So this number will help us decide whether we add 1 with 5 or should 5 remain itself. Okay, the rule of rounding off states that if the number beside it is 5 and above, we are going to add 1 with the number that is asked for. If the number is 4 and below, the number will remain. So in this case, we have here 6, which is beside 5. So we are going to add 1 with 5. So 5 plus 1 becomes 6. Okay, so that becomes 600,000. So if you are asked to round off 567,400 to the nearest 100,000s place or to the nearest 100,000, our answer will become 600,000. Okay, another thing, the same, you are asked to round this off to the nearest 100,000s. Okay, so this is the ones place, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, meaning to say 8 is the number that we are going to round off. And look at the number to its right side. The number to its right side is 3. Meaning to say, the 3 here will help us decide whether 8 will remain 8 or 8 is added with 1. So, 3 here is lesser than 4, meaning to say we will not add 1 with 8. So, 8 will remain. So, the answer is 800,000. So, 836,700, if you are asked to round this off to the nearest 100,000, is 800,000. So, another example. Let's say, let's say 734,900. Okay? And then another one, last example here, we have 46,892. Okay, so in this case, you are asked to round this off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, you are asked to round this off to the nearest 10,000. This one is, you are asked also to round this off to the nearest 10,000. Okay? Okay, 10,000. Okay, so determine now what is the digit found in the 10,000. So this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, this is thousands, this is 10,000, and this is 100,000. Meaning to say, this is found in the 10,000s place. So, what is beside it to the right? To the right is 4. Okay, to the right, not to the left, but to the right. Okay, so this is 4. This will help us decide whether we add 1 with 3 or 3 remains the same. So, we will not touch the 7 because we are asked the 10,000s place to round off to the nearest 10,000. So, 7 remains 7. And 3 here remains 3. Why? Because the number to its right is 4. So, this is 3. Remains 3. And this will become 0. Okay, so that's it. This is 7. So, 734,900. If we are going to round this off to the nearest 10,000, this will become 730,000. Okay, the next one. Our number is 46,892. Okay, round this off to the nearest 10,000. Okay, so this one is the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, and the 10,000s. Meaning to say, this is the number that we are going to round off. The number beside it is 6. 6 will help us decide whether we add 1 with 4 or 4 remains the same. 6 is higher than 5, meaning to say we will add 1 with 4. So, 4 becomes 5. And then, these numbers here will become 0. So, 46,892, if we are going to round this off to the nearest 10,000, this is 50,000. So, that's it.